Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Shelby County, southwestern Champaign County, Preble County, southeastern Darke County, northwestern Clark County, northern Montgomery County, Miami County, until 12:45 a.m. At 12:07 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Eaton, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Ginghamsburg, Vandalia, Englewood, Casstown, Potsdam, West Milton, West Alexandria, Wheatville, Interstate 70 at U.S. Route 127, Muttonville, New Carlisle, Dayton International Airport, New Hope, Piqua, Dial 10, Arcanum, Lewisburg, Clayton, Troy, and Brookville. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 3 and 42. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 58 and 84.